Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. If you're looking to black out your headlights and fog lights on your 2010 to 2013 Camaro without having to go through the process of making it permanent, then look no further than the Phastek Blackout kits. These kits are available in a light and dark finish. Once installed, this kit will give your Camaro a sleek, stealthy look and still allow the headlights to shine through, all while adding a bit of protection to your lenses. This kit will include pre-cut headlight, turn signal, and fog light overlays in your choice of a light or dark option. The light version of this kit will give you a subtle tint effect that will still leave your headlights visible during the day. The dark version of this kit will give your Camaro a completely darked out finish. Installation is going to be fairly simple and should only take about 30 minutes of your time. You will need a spray bottle with a little bit of water to help adjust the film to get it just right, and a microfiber towel is needed to push the excess water out from behind the film. When installing the headlight and turn signal blackouts, be sure to start on one edge and lead it all the way to the corner. When installing the fog lights, be sure to take your time and work your way from the center all the way to the outer edges to prevent any creases. There you have it, guys. Now our Phastek headlight and fog light blackout kit is installed. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.